If you have lost access to your email address or phone number associated with your LinkedIn account, you can still recover your account using this method. So let's get started. Firstly, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Then once done, simply tap on the sign in option available there. Once inside the sign in, tap on the forgot password there, and once inside the forgot password, you can see you will have to enter the email or phone number in order to get to the another process. But here all you have to do is enter any emails you think of. Enter any email. You don't have to worry about the valid or not. So here I'm entering email@com. So now once entered, simply tap on the next option available there. Then once you tap on the next, you'll be navigated to enter the CAPTCHA. Now verification process, verify that you are human by tapping on the right CAPTCHA. Now once done, you can see I can't access this email option available at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter the new email address and re-enter the new email address again. If you have any details like profile URL or other personal information, then you can also add in LinkedIn side option available there and tap on the continue option available there. Now, after you enter the email address, choose the country you are in to send the ID to the LinkedIn support. And once done, you can simply type on the verify with persona option available there. And all you have to do is give them your personal ID information, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.